I'm gonna be making a fried chicken sandwich, hot chicken style, like Nashville hot chicken, you might know of it. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs in a bath of buttermilk with about a tablespoon of salt. I've done 5 there. I've taken out these chicken thighs after their bath, patted them really dry. Flour time. I'm using 00 flour, which is a very finely milled Italian flour. So I'm going with 250 grams. I've also got here some potato starch, and that's gonna give you a lovely ensemble of textures in your face, okay? So in that goes, I've got just a little half teaspoon of baking powder. That's just gonna help the structure move and set. As soon as it hits the oil, it's gonna go a teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, 10 grams of salt. Now we're gonna do a triple breading process. I'm gonna grab my thighs, put them in, give them a light dusting of flour. I'm just gonna pop them there for a sec. I've got the remaining buttermilk from my overnight soak. In there is gonna go 2 medium eggs. Then you wanna beat that together, and I want you to drip it into here. About 4 tablespoons. You want a fair bit. You wanna get one of these guys. Okay, in and give him 1 flip. Let him hydrate just for a sec. Down he goes. I'm gonna put like a little salady slaw in my bun just for a bit of contrast. So yeah, you just wanna julienne these up. I'm also gonna be putting in celery, which is really, really delicious with chicken, full stop. Chinese roasted sesame paste. You can use tahini, don't worry. A little bit of vinegar and then a little bit of sesame oil, not much. Chuck in our cucumber, celery, a bit of fennel. In he goes. Just before I build my burger, I'm gonna mix it with some shredded iceberg lettuce, some spring onion, and a little bit of coriander. I quickly want to tell you about the spices that are going to make up my oil that we're going to brush the chicken with when it comes out. 4 tablespoons of pul biber. Now this is a Turkish pepper flake. Tablespoon of brown sugar. Sichuan peppercorn, I've got red today. It's freshly ground coriander seed, about a teaspoon. Cinnamon, I've got some star anise, got some cardamom. That's my spice mix, really cool. And to that, I'm going to chuck in hot oil once we've fried the chicken. Just like Nashville hot, but with a different vibe. Fantastic. Okay, so he's gonna set aside. Now we're going in with the chicken. Remember when you drop it in, do it away from you. Do yourself a favor. Looks incredible, super crispy, super crunchy. And then you wanna take, I don't know, about 150 mils. There he goes. The smell of that is just crazy. Absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy. While everything's still hot, and then just spoon it over the guy. It smells ridiculous. Slap down your toasted brioche bun, hit it with some, I've just got some sriracha mayo here that's slightly marbled, looks incredible. I've also made some black vinegar pickles, but you can use any pickles you like, no worries there. Go down with your incredible spiced fried chicken thigh, crispy as you like. Hit it with your slaw that you finished with the spring onion and the lettuce. And then finally, for a flourish, go down with loads of Bombay mix. Now, yeah, that's your bun basically. Absolutely ridiculous scenes. So good, man.